Let's talk about theme number 2, policy uncertainty. There's really 6 different areas that were major themes, either starting in 2025 or starting in 2026 and moving forward. You can see in this chart, the top 3, tariffs, that started out really hot. It's starting to wane a little bit now after this one. Doge, another one that started off really big and it's kind of fading off. It's not that they're not doing work right now. It's just the concerns about the work are waning at this stage. And then you've got immigration. Immigration's probably going to stick around for a while and will pop up in news stories throughout the year still. On the positive side, we've got individual tax cuts coming. Corporate tax incentives, there's 2 sides there. Some people are like, you know what, the corporation's got enough money. Why are we giving them a tax incentive? And I get that because they do have a lot of money. But they also have margins that they know they're going to want to hit. And if they are not hitting that margin, what do? They can tend to cut jobs at that point, and that hurts the economy as a whole. So the flip side of it is if you give business owners the tax cut, they're going to either reinvest the money or they're going to hire people. Next one is deregulation. Some people think we went way too far with regulations. Other people didn't think we went far enough. But the reality is deregulation is coming, and it has already started, and that is going to benefit the economy, because deregulation means reduced cost, which means more money to reinvest. And when you're talking about what's coming with AI, these companies are going to need the money to do that.